Hi. If you like these videos, press like and subscribe on YouTube, and I can offer private channeling sessions. You can do it over the phone. And you can schedule on Messages of Love from Beyond. Okay. There is much that is moving about in you. There is a certain number of you who have been following our vibration. This vibration, this very vibration, is loosening. Things that have been locked inside of your human body for all of your time there. This vibration is knocking it free like a jackhammer that is hammering away at solid rock. That is how your memories and your experiences, some of which you remember, some of which you don't, become locked into your very being, solid as rock. Our vibration is gently wearing away at it, shaking it. Little pieces are falling off. The feeling that you have of sadness, confusion, it is unfamiliar to you because you cannot place exactly where it's coming from. We are telling you it is your memories loosening up. Why would a vibrational energy, which is love, flow through this channeler onto you? Why? Why would such a thing happen in this entire universe? Because you are valuable. And this energy has chosen to come directly to you. You who can hear right now. This energy is coming to you so you can be loosened up on the inside. Because you are valuable and important to others. You have a life, a full life to lead. It is time for you to move beyond this heaviness, this blocked memories. It's time for you to let them go. As they are being shaken up and you are sometimes crying for no reason, you're not sure what it is. You may walk down and look at a tree and start to cry. You may look at another human and you will start to cry. This is the loosening. Now, we've told you why it is happening to you, because you are valuable and precious, you who can hear this. There's another part. Of course, there's always many parts to these. We try to make it straightforward for you to understand. When these things are loosened inside of you, and you are more free, then the energy of love will be flowing through you more easily. And when it flows through you, it passes to all of the others who have no access to this information. But you do, because you can hear us. And you can feel this vibration. Yes, it is this vibration that is moving inside of you right now. You can feel it shaking you up. You can feel it moving inside of you. This is what it is. We are telling you because you don't know, you're not familiar with this feeling. You would call it a feeling. But it is an actual vibration. It is a movement inside of you. It is an actual movement, which is vibration, which is energy moving through you. You that can feel it will be healed of it when you allow it to be so. And if you are hearing us, it is time for you to heal. It is time for you to let the rock be broken down and disappear into dust. Because it is time for you to begin living your life, which is channeling love. The love will flow into you and out of you to all that surround you, not just humans, all living things that surround you will feel the energy of love that you allow to pass through you when you allow this energy to break up the memories you have. That is your true purpose. That is why you have found us. You want the energy to be moved inside of you, so you may be whole, so you may heal, so you may feel alive right to your little fingertips. You want to live. And there are only some of you who recognize that you have not been living. Others think they're living and go about. Those that are listening to this vibration understand that you have not been living, but you wish to. You have the desire to. That is why you are listening. And your desire has called us to you to provide this energy so you may heal. You have called this vibration to you to heal. So here it is. Here is your vibration of love. Now you may go heal. There is much love here for you. Namaste. Oh man, these are so beautiful. I don't know what to say. Oh my God. I've always wanted to be alive. So I hope you enjoyed that too. Bye.